Alright, I want to welcome you once again. Very quickly, without wasting time, I have a question here which I want us to solve. This question is under prime number, but then it's not just a direct question, so let's read it. Frank says all prime numbers are odd. Gemma says 1 is the prime numbers. Now give a reason why each child is wrong. You are going to give reason why Frank is wrong. Then you also give you reason why Gemma is also wrong. Okay, so let's look at what Frank says. Frank says all prime numbers are odd. Okay, now that statement, we want to know if the statement is said is yes or no. However, here we are told that the statement of each of the boys is actually wrong. So we are to give a reason why Frank's statement that all prime numbers are odd is wrong. All right, so if you are to look at it now, first and foremost, the question is what are prime number, or probably we should even list them out, maybe from 1 to 10. So the prime numbers, remember, 2 is the prime number, 3 is the prime number, 5 is the prime number, and then 7 is the prime number. So between 1 to 10, these are the prime numbers. So prime numbers are those numbers that has 1 and itself as factors. So those are the prime numbers. Now if you go back to what Frank says, he says all prime numbers are odd. Now if you look at 2 is a prime number, but it's not odd. So we can say that Frank is wrong by saying that 2 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, but it is not odd. It is not odd, because now if you look at the 3 is a prime number, it's odd. 5 is a prime number, is also odd number. Then 7 is a prime number, is also odd number. But 2 is a prime number, but it's not odd numbers. Alright, so let's look at what Gemma says. Gemma says 1 is a prime number. 1 is a prime number. Now I want to say this, that according to the question, we have to give a reason why each child is wrong. So Frank was wrong, we have said that. And then now we are coming back to Gemma. Now Gemma says 1 is a prime number. Yes, 1 is not a prime number. So by saying that 1 is a prime number is wrong. 1 is not a prime number. The reason is this: any prime number must have two factors, and the two factors must be 1 and that number itself. So if you look at 1 is not a prime numbers, because it does not have two factors. In other words, it has only one factor, which is 1 itself. So far there is no any other factors of 1 apart from that one, therefore you can't say it's a prime number. 7 is a prime number because the factors of 7 are 1 and 7. 3 is a prime number because it has two factors which are 3 and 1. 2 is a prime number because it has 2 and 1. as factor. Therefore 1 is not, because there is no other factors that it has except itself, which is 1. I do hope that you understand the question very well. So that is where we are going to stop today. And if you have any contrary opinion or you have a suggestion, you can just drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to see you tomorrow. I do hope that you enjoy the class. Bye.